mad fucking Diallo. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, I don't know about you, but it's been a glorious day. Today has been a very glorious day. I think back on my weekend, such a beautiful weekend, such a beautiful day. My family is awesome. And also Manchester United. Manchester United. Whoa. What the fuck did we just see, fam? I was dreading that game. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Just like I was dreading Man City and Manchester United, I was dreading that Manchester United versus Liverpool. Even though it was at Liverpool, I was absolutely dreading it, fam. Because at any given day, they can turn up and just beat you up completely. But that game, that bomb-clad game, it was something to behold, fam. It was something to behold. No, don't get me wrong. When I got back from football, like 7 minutes in, 10 minutes in, just after McTominay scored, and they were playing some decent football. For the first time, first 36 minutes, Manchester United was running the ball game, making interceptions, pressing Liverpool. Manchester United pressing Liverpool. Can't believe it. But then we kind of not sit back, but we allowed them to play, and they started playing around us and playing through us. And that's the problem that we'll find in our team, that we get a little bit lackadaisical. Like Kobe Mainoo didn't get any support in the middle of the park from McTominay. And so they were playing between them two, between McAllister and Endo, just played around them a couple of times, and that's how they got through us. But the first goal and the second goal in the first half, complete and utter shite, fam. You man are sitting 44 minutes into the game. You have a couple more minutes to play, and then 4 or 5 minutes at the time. You have the ball in your box, kick it out, my brother. That's all you had to do, fam. Kick out the fucking ball, blood. But you didn't. You try to play around them get rid of them score. Ref called it off offside, and you didn't learn the lesson. Go back again, them score. And now extra time, half time, them score again. 2-1, first half. So I'm going to be honest with you, as an honest Manchester United fan, I cuss couple of bumbucker, them knock off my TV. I was like, fuck it. We can't live with this again. McTominay give me hope, and then them just rip it out of my chest. So I went upstairs. And I started eating some food, watching some Naruto. That's all I could do. But I was following the game. Not watching it, following it. Check out 56 minutes, nothing. 70 minutes, nothing. And then I think 88 minutes, Anthony scored. And I said, hold up, wait a minute, at 2-2, let me go pray now. And listen, after him scoring a 2-2, I was like, yes, we can do this then. So I turned the game on, I started watching it again. And at 2-2, you can tell that they were Elante ball a little better than us, but we were looking a lot dangerous, especially in the counter attack. And I was like, all right, cool, we can make something happen. Marcus Rashford, that last chance to get before 98 minute end. That last chance. There's a chance that you'd have put away in your sleep, fam. I don't know what. I can't tell you. But I was utterly disappointed. I let that I was sleeping. I was screaming in the living room. I was like, yes. And they were going at extra time. I was like, shit. Might as well just play it all and guard the day. And then Harvey fucking Elliott scored that deflected fucking goal again, fam. And so, fucking hell, what are we gonna do, blood? What the fuck are we gonna do? And comment the man comment our blood. Amad Diallo with a nice interception, go straight to McTominay, straight down the middle of defense. Rashford, equalizer. And I started screaming because, yes, at least you have penalties. That's exactly what I said. At least you have penalties, fam. At least you have the fucking penalties so proud. And anything can go. We've seen Onana make massive penalty saves in the Champions League. So yeah, also can go on. But Ahmad again, after Liverpool got that corner, Ahmad at top of the 18 yard, just nick it off Harvey Elliott, run on, Garnacho, dribble up the field, give it to Ahmad, and the rest was history, fam. I have never heard the crowd scream so loud at Old Trafford. I can't wait till I go there. I cannot wait until I go there. What's that conversation for another day? But my word, what a damn game that was. And you guys know I've been preaching about Amad Diallo from day one. Well, I've been preaching some more. This man is a gem. This man is a gem. And you can see when the players talking about him, you can see when the ex-players in Atalanta talk about him, he is a gem. He is so flipping good, blood. And because of his miniature, type of stature, he's, getting, maybe he's getting overlooked because of that. Maybe because he's just got going over a bad injury earlier late last year. And I don't know why Eric Ten Hag didn't want to play him. But I can guarantee you right now, he's going to play him from now on. Eh? He was back defending when he had to. Twice he ran back and take the ball off the post wall. He was one that made the defensive tackle at Harvey Elliott and then push the ball upfield to score. The man has been doing what he needed to do consistently. Consistently. And I like that. Anthony, listen, the world is your oyster, fam. The world is your oyster. I tell you that right now. Go and go live it, fam. Assalamu alaikum, fam. Assalamu alaikum. Now, the break is upon us. We're not going to see Manchester United play football again for the next 2 weeks, but we will definitely see Jamaica play next week. I'll be going there, Texas, to watch Jamaica play against USA. We'll see. If you can get that win, you can get to the final, and then anything can happen. So we will see. And look out for the next video on Jamaica Football Federation. Of course, Al Grimson and this little boy, I'm called Karamito Matamido. I don't know what his name, Bailey Karamakamalgamito, whatever I want name. Because there's a lot of drama going on in that thing too. It don't make no bumbo itself. And JFF and Coach Al Grimson, and I have questions for answer for. But I'm waiting. I'm waiting until we can see the official teams push out. But people, bless up yourself, bless up others. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new Manaz.